Most job seekers spend 200 hours applying to positions that never respond. Meanwhile, a small group of professionals are using AI to land interviews in weeks, not months. The difference is not luck, it is strategy. And today we are breaking down exactly how they do it. Welcome back to KB Bluetree, where we help working professionals level up their careers without burning out. Over the past year, we have helped thousands of people transform their job search using smart systems and tools. Today, we are diving into something that is changing the game completely: how to use AI for career research and job hunting. By the end of this video, you will have a complete framework to cut your job search time in half and get better results. Let us get into it. Problem here is what most people experience when job hunting. You spend hours scrolling through job boards feeling more confused than when you started. You craft the perfect resume, but it disappears into a black hole. You apply to 50 positions and hear back from 3. The frustration is real. You know you are qualified, but something is not connecting. You spend evenings tweaking your resume again, wondering what companies actually want. The process feels random and exhausting. And here's the worst part. You start questioning yourself. Maybe you are not as experienced as you thought. Maybe you should just settle for whatever comes along. The confidence you had at the beginning slowly drains away with each rejection, or worse, each silence. The traditional job search method puts you on a hamster wheel. Research companies manually, write custom cover letters from scratch, apply and pray, repeat 100 times. It is no wonder people burn out before they even land an interview. But the surface problem is just symptoms. The real issue goes much deeper. Let us talk about why this happens in the first place. The root cause is information overload combined with invisibility. Every day, thousands of jobs get posted across dozens of platforms. You cannot possibly research them all effectively. So you either apply broadly with generic materials, or you spend so much time customizing that you only apply to a handful of positions. Meanwhile, companies are drowning in applications. Your resume is one of 250 for a single role. Recruiters spend an average of 6 seconds scanning each application. 6 seconds to communicate years of experience and value. The math simply does not work in your favor. Here's the deeper truth. The old job search playbook was built for a different era, before applicant tracking systems. Before online applications made it easy to apply to 50 jobs in an hour. Before competition became global. You are using outdated strategies in a system that has fundamentally changed. And there is another layer. Most people do not actually know what they are looking for. They know they want something better, but better is vague. Without clarity on your actual career goals and ideal role, you are shooting arrows in the dark. Even if you hit something, it might not be what you wanted. The combination of these factors creates a perfect storm. Too much information, too little visibility, unclear direction. No wonder people spend months in job search limbo. But here is what actually works. AI is not about replacing the human element of job searching. It is about amplifying your efforts so you can focus on what matters, building real connections, and showcasing your unique value. Let us break down the framework. Solutions. The first strategy is intelligent career mapping. Use AI to analyze your skills, experience, and interests against current market demand. Tools like ChatGPT or Claude can help you identify roles you might not have considered. Give the AI your background and ask it to suggest 10 career paths that match your profile. You will discover opportunities you did not know existed. Then, go deeper. Ask the AI to break down the skills required for each path. Compare them against what you already have. This creates a clear gap analysis. Now you know exactly what to emphasize in applications and what to develop further. This single exercise can save you weeks of unfocused searching. The second strategy is hyper-personalized application materials. Stop sending the same resume everywhere. Use AI to customize your resume and cover letter for each specific role in minutes, not hours. Here is how it works. Feed the job description into an AI tool. Then provide your master resume. Ask the AI to optimize your resume by highlighting the most relevant experiences and using keywords from the job description. The result is a tailored document that speaks directly to what that employer needs. But here is the key. Always review and add your personal touch. AI gives you the structure and optimization. You add the authenticity and specific examples that make you memorable. This hybrid approach is powerful. The third strategy is company intelligence gathering. Before you apply or interview, research the company deeply using AI. Ask questions like, what are the main challenges this company faces in their industry? What does their culture value based on public information? What questions should you ask in an interview to stand out? AI can synthesize information from multiple sources, instantly giving you insights that would take hours to compile manually. Use this intelligence to customize your approach. Reference specific company initiatives in your cover letter. Prepare thoughtful questions that show you understand their business. This level of preparation puts you in the top 5% of candidates immediately. The fourth strategy is interview preparation on steroids. AI can simulate interview scenarios based on the specific role and company. Practice common questions. Get feedback on your answers. Even do mock behavioral interviews where the AI asks follow-up questions based on your responses. This is like having a personal interview coach available 24/7. The fifth strategy is networking with precision. Use AI to identify the right people to connect with at target companies. Draft personalized LinkedIn messages that reference shared interests or mutual connections. AI can help you craft messages that feel genuine while saving you the mental energy of starting from scratch every time. The goal is to reach out to more people without sacrificing quality. Now let us talk tactics. How do you actually implement this? First, set up your AI workspace. Choose one or two AI tools you will use consistently: ChatGPT, Claude, or industry-specific tools. Create a folder with your master resume, key achievements, and career goals. This becomes your reference library. Second, create templates. Build a master prompt for resume optimization, another for cover letter generation, one for company research. Save these so you are not starting from zero each time. Refine them based on what works. This system approach makes you faster and more consistent. Third, establish a daily routine. Spend 30 minutes each morning using AI to research 5 target companies. Use another 30 minutes to customize applications for your top 3 opportunities of the day. This focused approach beats spending 3 random hours applying to anything that looks decent. Quality over quantity always wins. Fourth, track everything. Use a simple spreadsheet to log where you applied, what customizations you made, and any AI insights that were particularly useful. This data helps you see what is working. If one type of approach gets more responses, double down on it. Job searching should be iterative, not repetitive. Fifth, combine AI efficiency with human connection. Use the time you save to actually network. Reach out to people for informational interviews, attend industry events, comment thoughtfully on LinkedIn posts from people at target companies. AI handles the repetitive work so you can focus on building relationships. That is where the magic happens. Success story. Let me tell you about Vanessa. She was a marketing manager feeling stuck in her role for 3 years. She had been casually applying to jobs for 6 months with almost no response. Frustrated and losing confidence, she decided to try a completely different approach using AI. First, she used AI to analyze her skills and discovered she was a perfect fit for customer success leadership roles, something she had never considered. Then she used AI to optimize her resume and LinkedIn profile specifically for these positions. Within 2 weeks, she started getting recruiter messages. She took it further. Before each interview, she used AI to research the company thoroughly and practice answers to likely questions. She walked into conversations confident and prepared. After just 5 weeks using this system, Vanessa landed 3 offers. She accepted a customer success director role with a 35% salary increase and better work-life balance. What changed was not her qualifications, it was her approach. She went from scattered and generic to strategic and targeted. AI gave her the leverage to compete at a higher level without working more hours. That is the power of using these tools intentionally. Call to action here is what we want you to do right now. Choose one AI tool and spend 20 minutes today doing a career mapping exercise. Ask it to analyze your background and suggest 5 roles you should consider. Just that simple step will open your eyes to possibilities you have been missing. Then commit to using AI for at least one part of your job search this week. Maybe it is resume optimization. Maybe it is company research. Start small, but start today. The people landing jobs faster are not necessarily more qualified. They are just using better systems. If this video helped you see job searching differently, make sure to like and subscribe to KB Bluetree for more insightful content. We post new strategies every week to help you advance your career without the burnout. Drop a comment and tell us how you are planning to use AI in your job search. We read every single one. Remember, your next opportunity is not about luck. It is about strategy. You have got the tools, now go use them. We will see you in the next video.